Pakistan always had a close relationship with Malaysia, and we took almost pride in the way Malaysia developed and raised the standard of living and became like a model for the Muslim world, and that was under your premiership. So we admire you for that. We also admire you for taking stand on issues which affect the Muslim world. Unfortunately, very few Muslim leaders do take stands, like, for instance, the war on terror, the way it affected the Muslim world, the way Islamophobia has spread in the Western world, and the way the Muslims are treated because of confusing, deliberately, I would say deliberately, what were political struggles were converted into almost as if the reason was religion behind these struggles.